says here, a man of 50 kg is standing in the gravity free space. It's gravity free, there is no gravity. So G or A is 0. So let me just write here, A or G is 0 in this case. And mass of the man is how much? 50 kg, fine, at a height of 10 meter, okay, above the floor. So let's say this is a floor and this is 10 meter above the floor. This person is standing over here, right? Okay, great. He throws a stone of mass. Mass of the stone is how much? It is 0.5 kg downward with a speed of 2 meter per second. So it is going 2 meter per second in the downward direction. When the stone reaches the floor, the distance of the man above the floor will be how much? Okay. So we will use a very basic concept here. Okay. And that is what? Conservation of momentum. Okay. So mass of the man times the velocity of the man will be equals to mass of the stone times the velocity of the stone, right? Very simple concept. Yes. So every action equal and opposite reaction will be. So mass of the man 50, velocity of the man we don't know, mass of the stone 0.5 and velocity of the stone 2 meter per second. So velocity of man will be how much? 1 by 50 from here. I hope this is clear. Now this is the velocity with which the person is thrown in the upward direction because of the reaction. Clear? Now if this is the force, this is the velocity with which the person is going in the upward direction. Let's calculate how much time it takes for the stone to reach to the ground. In that time interval, how much the person will be going up. So the time is equals to, now you can use this equation V equals to U plus AT or S equal to UT plus half AT square, but the condition here is acceleration is 0, sir, in the problem. So S will be equals to U into T only. Distance is equals to speed into time. So we have to calculate the time. So time is equals to distance upon speed, or let me just make it as distance upon speed. Now what is the distance traveled by the stone? So 10 meters. And what's the speed? With 2 meters. So time taken will be 5 seconds. 5 seconds it will go. It will take 5 seconds for the stone to go down, right? In the same time, the time interval being 5 seconds, how much the person is going up? So the velocity of the person is 1 by 50 and the time is 5 seconds. Let's calculate the distance. So distance will be equals to how much? Speed into time. And speed is how much? 1 by 50 and time is how much? 5. So this will make it 5 by 50, which is 1 by 10, or 1 by 10 is 0.1 meters above the building. If it is going 0.1 meter above the building, the question is saying, let's read the question. When the stone reaches the floor, the distance of the man above the floor, not above the building. Be very careful. So above the floor it will be how much? 10 meters is from this part and 0.1 it goes on the top. So 10.1 will be our final answer.